Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the core background image in this device. So in this device you can see this is the default core background image. So let me show you how to change this one. Simply go to the dialer application, tap on three dots on the top right side, tap on settings. So here you can see the option core background. Now tap on the option background. Okay, so if you want to set a background from your phone, then you can easily select the option gallery and it will directly go to the gallery and you can select the core background. So simply here I am going to select this one. You can adjust this image. Okay, and after that one tap on set as core background. You can see call background applied. Now let me show you how it works. Now I am going to make a call to this number. Now you can see, so successfully we changed the call background image in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.